Hey, how's it going? Here I am again. This time we have DTC 59ES in perfect condition and it used to work perfectly fine. Now we have one problem. Let me show you. Tape is inside. It's simple, cannot find the frequency. You have 48 kilohertz blinking and that's it. So it will fast forward, rewind, everything is fine. Yeah, all good, except no music. So if you have a unit like this, first thing that you can do is really to clean the head, because I did use one problematic tape. After that tape, the deck just stopped reading other tapes. So let's try that. Clean the head. Yes, I did try to use a tape for cleaning, but it didn't work. I guess this is a little bit tougher clog. So hold the paper with the rubbing alcohol here and spin the head in this direction. Okay, let's see if that's gonna help, or we have some other serious problem. Could be something else more serious. I do see some black lines and dots. Okay, the camera is complaining, but who cares? So let's try. Let's see. One more time. I hope this is gonna solve the issue. Then I'm gonna test it and see how it goes. Yeah. All right. Give it a couple of seconds to disappear. I mean, it's already clean. I'm gonna put this tape back and see how it goes. Let me see what's gonna happen if I do just this. Yeah, all normal. Let's see now. Is it better or not? Oh yeah, I see some progress. Oh yeah, the progress is there. It's alive. So as I mentioned, I tried with the cleaning tape and it didn't work. I tried to buy those cleaning stripes to find it. I really couldn't find anywhere those stripes. They are special made stripes. So instead of paper, you would use those stripes. But no, this is still the easiest and best solution to clean your DAT head. So now we have again perfectly functional DTC 59ES. Yeah, all right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.